I want to show y'all one of my favorite juices, something I've been making for a couple years, and it's one of my most popular juices that I sell. Pineapple, orange, cantaloupe. I call it Summer Delight because it reminds me of Sunny Delight. So if I break it into 5 parts, 2 parts pineapple, 2 parts cantaloupe, 1 part orange. That's the ratio, that's how you make it taste how I like it to taste. I think that's the best ratio, 2-2-1. What we have here is the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus. This juicer is magnificent. I love it. It's very convenient and it's powerful. So if you're in the market for a juicer and you got $600, $700 to spend, this is the one. I like this juicer because you could just throw all your produce, your fruits, vegetables inside, and you don't have to think about it. The juicer just does the work. Drop the top on it and let it go. So it took about 3 minutes to make this juice. It's a little more than a liter of juice. And this juice is very sweet, it's delicious, it's nutritious, it's good for you. And it's something that your children most likely would enjoy. We're gonna pour up. Juicing could be or seem like a lot of work, but it's worth it. It's like drinking a glass of vitamins. Mad good. If you have popsicle molds, this would be delicious frozen as a popsicle. No added sugar, healthy. It's a friendly dessert. One more thing. If you add some ginger to this, that would be great as well.